What's up everyone, it's Sinesh, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, building a 7-figure portfolio from scratch. Whether you're just starting out on your investment journey, or you're looking to refine your strategy, this video is your comprehensive guide to reaching that $1 million milestone. We'll be covering everything from establishing a rock-solid financial foundation to navigating the exciting world of real estate and index funds. I'm talking actionable steps, guys, not just vague financial advice. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and the right strategy. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building that 7-figure portfolio you've always dreamed of, grab your notebooks, hit that like button, and let's get started. Before you even think about investing a single dollar, we need to talk about building a solid financial foundation. It's like building a house. You can't have a strong structure without a stable base. First things first, you need an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, your peace of mind. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses stashed away in a high-yield savings account. This way, if you lose your job, face unexpected medical bills, or your car decides to give up on life, you're covered. Next up, tackle those high-interest debts like a boss. Credit card debt, payday loans, these are financial vampires sucking away your hard-earned money. Create a debt repayment plan, prioritize those high-interest debts, and attack them aggressively. Remember guys, every dollar you're not paying in interest is a dollar you can invest and grow. So, get those finances in order, and then we'll talk about putting your money to work for you. Now that you've got your financial house in order, it's time to set some clear financial goals. Without goals, you're like a ship sailing without a destination. You might end up somewhere, but it's not likely to be where you want to be. Start by defining your short-term goals. These could be things like paying off a specific debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or finally taking that dream vacation. Having these short-term milestones will keep you motivated and on track. Next, think long-term. Where do you see yourself financially in 5, 10, or even 20 years? Do you want to retire early, achieve financial independence, build a legacy for your family? These long-term goals will shape your overall investment strategy. Remember, your goals are personal to you. Don't compare yourself to others or get caught up in what you think you should be doing. Define your own version of financial success and create a plan to get there. Let's talk about diversification, people. This is one of the most important concepts in investing, and for a good reason. You see, diversification is all about spreading your risk. Imagine you invest all your money in a single stock, and that stock plummets. Ouch, right? But if you've diversified your portfolio across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe even some alternative investments, a downturn in one area won't completely wipe you out. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bet your entire life savings on a single hand of poker, would you? Of course not. You'd spread your bets, manage your risk, and increase your chances of coming out ahead. Diversification is key to weathering market storms and achieving long-term financial success. So, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments and sleep soundly at night knowing your portfolio is built to last. Chapter 4. Index Funds, your secret weapon to building wealth. Now let's talk about one of my favorite investment vehicles, index funds. These are like the superheroes of the investing world. Low cost, diversified, and they consistently outperform actively managed funds over the long term. An index fund is basically a basket of stocks or bonds that tracks a specific market index like the S&P 500. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of all the companies in that index. This means you get instant diversification, which, as we just learned, is crucial for managing risk. Plus, index funds have super low fees compared to actively managed funds. Over time, those fees can really eat into your returns. So, if you're looking for a simple, effective, and low-cost way to invest your money and grow your wealth over the long term, index funds are your new best friend. Chapter 5. Real estate building wealth brick by brick. Let's be real, guys, who doesn't love the idea of owning a piece of the American dream? Real estate has long been a popular investment choice, and for good reason. It can provide passive income, appreciation potential, and even some tax advantages. Now I know what you're thinking, real estate can be expensive. And you're right, traditional real estate investing does require a significant amount of capital. But don't worry, there are ways to get started with real estate investing even if you're not rolling in cash. You could start small with a rental property, explore crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate projects with others, or even consider REITs, which are like mutual funds for real estate. Just remember, like any investment, real estate comes with its own set of risks. So do your research, understand the market, and consider working with experienced professionals to make informed decisions. Chapter 6. Review and adjust. Keeping your portfolio on track. Congratulations, you've built your investment portfolio. You're well on your way to achieving your financial goals. But hold on a second, the journey doesn't end there. Building a 7-figure portfolio is not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. It requires regular checkups, just like your health. Market conditions change, your financial goals might evolve, and your risk tolerance might shift over time. That's why it's crucial to review your portfolio at least once a year, or even quarterly, and make adjustments as needed. Are your investments still aligned with your goals? Is your asset allocation still appropriate for your risk tolerance? Don't be afraid to make changes if necessary. Remember, this is your financial future we're talking about. Stay informed, stay proactive, and keep your portfolio optimized for success. Chapter 7. Discipline and patience. The keys to long-term success. We've covered a lot of ground today, from building a solid financial foundation to exploring different investment options. But if there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this. Building a 7-figure portfolio takes time, discipline, and a whole lot of patience. There will be ups and downs in the market. You'll be tempted to make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. But trust me, the worst thing you can do is panic and sell everything when the market takes a dip. Remember why you started investing in the first place. Stick to your plan, ignore the noise, and focus on the long game. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are 7-figure portfolios. So stay the course, my friends. Be patient, be disciplined, and I promise you, the rewards will be well worth the wait. And there you have it, your roadmap to building a 7-figure portfolio from scratch. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel empowered to take control of your financial future. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, discipline, and the right strategy, but with the knowledge you've gained today, you're well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome finance content. And share this video with anyone who's ready to start building their own 7-figure portfolio. Until next time, stay focused, stay invested, and keep crushing it.